Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. I thank you so much for watching. Let's rock. I don't have an exact match piece for this back one, so mark it where I can. Mark the other corner where I can. And connect the two. I want to put a partition in there, but I do not want to use plywood. So I do have a piece of 1 by 10-ish. Yeah, and then I need to come out 7.5. So I can get 1, 2, 3 of those and take that 2-inch notch out, 2 1/4 notch out. Go about that much taller. What's my measurement? That's not the direction I'm cutting. What's the measurement? 6 high? Okay. So I can get 3. Darn it, I can get 2. 1.5. Going 6 high. Yeah, I can only get 2 out of this no matter which direction I go. I guess it's a 1 by 12. 11, yeah, 11 7/8. It's a 112. Okay, yay, goody. Which is weird because they're supposed to sell them linear foot. So what the shit? That's 9 1/4. Don't know where it came from. I'm going to use it. I can get 2 out of it. Rip that 11.5, so 5 3/4 out of the 2 of them. Give or take blade width. That eraser work or just smudge it around? Yay. So first I'll get the pieces that I need, and then I'll worry about taking the corners out. Notching for the back bit. That much. Take that much out. Boom. And then, how tall do I want it? Yeah, we're not going. Okay, 4. Will do. I screwed up. I could have got 3 out of this. Oh well. Oh well. Maybe I'll change my mind by the 3rd design. Notch that, shorten it. Straight line. I'll worry about the height in a minute. Big question is, does the door close? No problem. It's in there. Yes, it is. It is. Right along. Okay. Bit of an angle. Easy shave. Not a big deal. Yep, right there. Easy piece. 3/4 chisel. Don't blow your hand open. 4 inches high. down and zip and go and in, go and right about there. Pin in the stairs. Still thinking about like scratching or scoring them. I'm not going to use the table saw. Miter saw, drag it across there a couple 5 times. Then put the stairs in. Pin it together, put the door on, work the roof. Yeah, because once I'm done it, well, now I'll wait for the door until I'm done. Done. Because I want to put a few more holes in there. Linseed here and abouts and whatnot. I don't know yet. Whatever. I'm done for the day. Bye. Yep. It was 20 when I plugged the heater in. Show you my setup. Fan fold to kind of damper it. Keep it, anyway. Curtain on the wall. Pulled the curtain off that wall. Also, so cold the light wouldn't come on. Not going to do the stove thing, but I took that curtain, hung some string, moved that inside, and fan fold back to the bench. Oh, let's drop some pins. Put the stairs in. Yeah, go ahead and put the stairs in. Get that out of my way. And I decided the stairs, I'm going to go ahead and score those. It is 4 a.m. It is -4. The snow is moved out. You can see that in the little radar box. Wind chill makes it feel like -20. And I've got 3 inches of snow to move. But here's the thing. Now that it stopped snowing and all that cloud cover moved out, see right there, cloud cover moves off. Come on, animate it, you fuck. There it is. Yeah, look at that. This is the warmest it's going to be. 0 at 6. Oh, it's coming up to 0 at 6. And then slide all damn day. With that wind. 13, 15 mile an hour wind. Yeah. So I better do it now, because it's just going to get worse. Well, I got the driveway and the porch done. It's still -4, but now the wind is -24. I'm responsible. I did it when it was only -20. Yay! The wind actually blew the snow into its own crust. So I had to break that off first. About 3 inches deep. Oh, I love that sound. Yeah, it is -6. Wind is coming from back that, yep, right in my face. Back that away at 20 mile an hour. Ugh. Yeah, it's about 25 below wind. So, anyways, with the leaf blower, I had just been using it. Using the wind, though, 20 mile an hour, that helps. Because of my arm, made it easier on myself because of my shoulder. Took a piece of pipe from the shop vac, modified it. Gorilla tape to hold the plastic, paper tape, I had to help it. One, tightens the nozzle so I get a better out of the thrust, and lengthen it so I just rest it right here on my side, no plate. Just rest it right here on my side, hang off my left arm. My right does not get involved, other than choke it and kill it. Yay. Smarter, not harder. Yay. Ta-da! Modified it. Helped myself out.